Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on equations. No? So sa previous video, in-introduce ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-solve ng equations with fractions. No? So itutuloy natin yung discussion natin dyan by solving the first number. No? So we have 3/10 x plus 9 equals 12. No? And para matanggal natin itong 9, kasi gusto natin x yung nasa kaliwa, tatanggalin natin itong 9 by subtracting 9 from both sides, di ba? So magiging 3/10 x plus 9 equals 12, and then we subtract 9 from both sides. Tapos, ano matitira dito sa kaliwa? We have 9 minus 9 is 0, and 3/10 x plus 0 is just 3/10 x, di ba? Tapos equals 12 minus 9 is 3, di ba? And sa previous video, sabi ko sa inyo, pag meron tayong fraction, no, ang pinakamadaling way para matanggal yung fraction dito sa kaliwa, pag ganito yung form niya ay we can multiply the fraction by its reciprocal. No? So ang reciprocal ng 3/10 ay 10/3, no? So multiply by 10/3 yung both sides. Diba? So yung 3 nasa kanan, we have also to multiply by 10/3. No? Okay. So the product of a number and its reciprocal is equal to 1. So 10/3 times 3/10 is equal to 1. And then 1 times x is x. And yung 10/3 times 3, no? We can cancel this. Magiging 1 pareho. And 10 times 1 over 1 is just 10. No? So 10 yung ating x. Now for number 2, we have 5/6 x plus 10 is equal to 1/6. So, ang pwede natin gawin dito is pwede yung x pa rin sa kaliwa and yung lahat ng numbers lilipat natin sa kanan. And we can do that by, again, subtracting 10 from both sides. Alisin muna natin to. So, 5/6x plus 10 equals 1/6x. And then we subtract 10 from both sides. So, mawawala na to. 10 minus 10 is 0. 5/6x na lang matitira sa left-hand side. And then, yung sa right-hand side natin ay 1/6x minus 10. Okay, gusto natin lahat ng may x nasa kaliwa. So, again, aalisin natin itong may x dito. We subtract 1/6x from both sides. So, pag binawasan natin ng 1/6x both sides, 1/6x minus 1/6x is 0. So, negative 10 na lang yung matitira dito sa right-hand side. And here, we have 5/6 minus 1/6. This is a similar fraction. So, magiging 4/6x. No? And again, sabi natin, pag meron tayong ganitong form, no? Yung a over bx equals c, ganitong form, we can just multiply this by the reciprocal. So, magiging, can multiply both sides by 6/4. 6/4, and then this also multiplied by 6/4. This becomes 1 times x. Negative 60/4. Yung negative 10, pwede natin lagyan ng over 1, no? So, negative 10 times 6 is negative 60. And then 1 times 4 is just 4. And which means that x is equal to negative 15. Okay, sa last number, we have 3/7 x equals x minus 8. Now, I think dito mas maganda yung x nasa kanan, no? Kasi mas mali itong 3/7 xx, tapos may negative tayo dito. May minus tayo dito. So, pwede nating tanggalin yung minus 8 dito by adding 8, no? To both sides. X minus 8 plus 8, no? Which means that magpa-plusin tayo ng 8 dito. 3 over 7th x plus 3 over 7x plus 8 also. So, minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Ibig sabihin, x na lang yung matitira natin sa kanan. And we have 3/7 x plus 8 sa kaliwa. Ngayon, alisin natin yung 3/7 x dito. Magma-minus naman tayo ulit. Plus 8 equals x. Remember, ang ating x gusto natin ay nasa kanan, no? So, magma-minus tayo ng 3 over 7x or 3/7 x. Magma-minus din tayo dito ng 3/7 x. So, mawawala na to. This is 0. 3/7 x minus 3/7 x is 0. Ang matitira dito is 8. Plus 8 or simply positive 8. At yung nasa kanan natin ay, ano ang x minus 3/7 x? Yung numerical coefficient nito ay 1, di ba? So, 1 minus 3/7, no? At ang 1 ay pwede natin gawing 7 over 7. 7 over 7 kasi 1 yan, di ba? 7 over 7. Para maging similar sila, similar fractions. So, magiging 4 over 7 yung sagot. Which means that yung right-hand side natin ay 4 over 7 x. Okay, pwede na natin to i-multiply sa kanyang reciprocal. So, times multiply by 7 over 4 times 7 over 4. Magiging 1 na yan, 4 over 7 times 7 over 4. So, magiging 1 times x is just x. At ito, pwede tayo mag-cancel. This becomes 2. So, 7 times 2 is 40. Okay, so yun yung ating sagot. Okay, that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating tutorial na to. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/it9ph, our Facebook page, facebook.com/it9ph, and our website. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.